Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic headphones with a model number RP-HD605 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not connecting to your device, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they're not making sound, they're not working, they keep disconnecting, things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now also, if you just want to get a fresh start on these headphones, have them delete all of the previous pairing information and set them up like a new set of headphones, this will work for that as well. Make sure the batteries are charged before we do this, and all you're going to do is with the unit turned off, you're just going to come and press and hold this power button for at least 5 seconds until the power pairing LED starts to blink blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. And then while that's blinking, blue, red, we're going to come and find this multifunction button, and we're just going to press and hold it towards the plus and come back in and press this power button, Bluetooth button at the same time. Press this towards the plus and the power button simultaneously for 5 seconds. And then we'll know that it's worked when the LED will blink quickly in blue and then the unit will turn off. That means it's been reset. You can go delete these headphones off whatever device they've been paired with in the past and set them up as a new set of headphones.